Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window, simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Go to search bar and type voice recorder and click here to open it. It will try to update the voice recorder application, so wait for it. Once done, and here you have to access your microphones. Okay, if you click here it will start recording your voice, and click here to pause. Okay, and if you click on stop recording, it will save the file. Now if you want to share your recordings, then click here. You can also find more apps from here, and by clicking here you can crop your recordings and you can save a copy or just update a original file. Then click here to delete it, and by clicking on three dots you can just open the file location of that file, and you can also check its properties. Now close this windows, and to rename it just click here and change its name. Click on rename. Okay, if you close this window, again go to search bar and type voice recorder and click here. By clicking on this icon you can record a new file. Let's stop recording, and here we go, a new record file is saved here. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.